Hi everyone, it's Rhonda here with Custom Papery. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I've been missing for a long time here on my channel. I have not been doing any videos. It's been like 5 or 6 months and I'm back now, and the story behind all that was my daughter's going off to college and we decided we just wanted to spend a lot of time together before she went off, and so the summer was really dedicated to her. Any spare time that I had outside of work, we did a lot of traveling and just spent every moment together knowing that she was going to be away. Um, I enjoyed every moment of it, and now that she's gone, I have to admit I'm having a little bit of a empty nest syndrome, but all is good. She's doing great in college. She loves it there, and I'm so proud of who she is and who she's going to become. And so now that I'm back in my craft room, I'd been watching some videos in regards to making the big roses, the big paper roses that you see. They're absolutely amazing crafters, and so I tried it and I made one, posted the photo on my Instagram. And if you are new to my channel, my Instagram name is also Custom Papery, so you can follow me there if you would like. But a lovely friend of mine back in March, crafting friend, Sparkling Char, she had commented on my video, and it meant everything. Not my video, excuse me, my photo, and it meant everything to me. And just reminded me about how I had met so many lovely crafters, and I wanted to get back into it, and just she got me going. So Char, thank you. And on top of all of this, congratulations to her. She is holding a contest. It's a 1,600/2,000 subscriber contest on her channel, and she is amazing. I love going to her channel. She brings smiles to my face every time I watch a video from her, except for a couple of them. She had me a little teary-eyed, but she's an angel. She's just so inspiring and brings so much joy when I watch her channel. So I wanted to give back to her, and not necessarily just for her contest. I want to start doing some Happy Meal packages and get in touch with some of the ladies that I became friends with through this beautiful community that we all have here. And this was just perfect timing. So besides all of that rambling, thank you for supporting me, Char, and always being there for me. So this video is dedicated to you and being there. I hope you like everything that I'm going to send you. This collection was inspired by me watching a video, and it's funny because some of your giveaway is doing backpacks, and I watched a video doing little miniature backpacks and thought they were so cute. I wanted to give it a try. I can't remember which person it was who showed the video tutorial on doing the little backpacks. I've watched so many videos, so I'm really sorry. I get lost in all the different crafts that I want to make. But anyways, I got this far on my backpack. I didn't add any straps, and not because I didn't want to add straps at one point, but once I got to this point, I was like, oh my gosh, this is like such a cute little treat box. Like seriously, I love making treat boxes, and I loved how it turned out without the straps. So I guess a person could put a strap and have it be a cute little purse. But I'm going to leave it like this to put some goodies in. And I did put Velcro to help keep it closed, and I'll be able to put quite a bit of goodies in there. At some point I'll probably remake some and put straps on them. I think that might be a cute thing to send to my daughter and maybe some of her friends in college. I have some ideas of stuff that I want to mail to them for some fun care packages and stuff, but I'm going to just leave mine without the straps. But this collection here is from Michael's. I've had it for a couple years, but I was there at my Michael's recently and saw they still have it, so I'm not sure if all Michael's still have it, but it's called the Blush Glam collection, and I absolutely love it. I haven't, this is the first time I have dug into this paper pack, and love the gold foiling and everything that's on it. So my collection is based off of that. And in her giveaway requirements, she wanted a memory dex card, 4 embellishments, and 4 die cuts. And so I'm going to show you a few of the items that I created. I'm not going to show everything because I want some of it to be a surprise for her in case she comes and watches my video. And so for the embellishments, I love making paper rosettes. It's like my favorite thing. I don't know what it is about making these, but it's therapeutic. I've made huge ones, really, really big, 12-inch ones to tiny, tiny ones, and I love how they turn out. Each and every one has its own unique design to it with the different papers that you use. They're beautiful. I love them. And so I wanted to incorporate them into these. Basically, I just used scallop punch that I had for the back of this and just started layering from there. Underneath here I have, this is some glitter tooling. I got it at Hobby Lobby a while ago. It's probably been a year or two. I love using it, and I'm not sure if they still have it, but I did get it at Hobby Lobby. And then I layered everything on top of that. This is a rolled rose, which those were what I started making when I started doing the paper flowers. Super simple. And then I added some gold leaves underneath here and there, and then some green foliage from punches that I have that I'd gotten last spring, and then a gold heart is tucked down inside there. And this one here is the same, except for I did pink for the foliage on this one instead of green, because I didn't want to do pink on pink, so I added the green here. And this flower here is more of like an off creamy, like an off-white basically, and so a light pink and then an off-white, but they're pretty much the same thing. I thought those were really cute. I didn't want to put like anything on the back because I'm not sure how she would want to use those, so I was leaving that up to her if she wanted to do like a foam to raise it or just put glue dot on it to put it on one of her projects. And then I also been watching some paper clip tutorials and stuff, and I'd made some in the past, but got back into let's try it again. And so I came up with this miniature one. This is a small banner using that same paper from that paper pack, and I just added some elements to the top of it. This right here, this is a heart, and basically I just cut it out or punched it out 3 times and then folded it to give it like a 3D look. You can see that there. And I bought a digital file that has a whole bunch of wording on it, which I needed. I didn't have any little sentiments of any sort, and I didn't want to go and type it all out. I just, the time to do that kept putting me off from creating stuff to be able to add the little sentiments. And so I found a lady who sold a sheet of them. Love all of the sayings. I love the font that she used. And so now I have a whole sheet of different stuff that I'm going to be able to incorporate. And I just popped, I printed mine on sticker paper and then popped it up on some foam to give it a 3-layer look. I'm not sure if you can see that in there. And it's backed on cardstock, but the printer paper made it nice to where I can just stick it on to anything. And then again, the green foliage from the punch, and I added some flat back pearls on there. And so cute. And this little tag thing that I have is from a punch, and then I just added the embroidery thread, embroidery floss, whatever that stuff is called. I never can remember. Then the other one that I did was this one here, and again it's using a rosette that I created, and it's on just a scalloped backing. And then page flags that I cut out with my silhouette. These flowers I made, most of them were using punches. And then I tucked in the word hugs with one of the wordings from that pack that I had bought. I love how this one came out. It's so cute. I hope that she enjoys the stuff that I'm sending her. For the die cuts, I'm not going to show the die cuts that I'm sending because I want that to kind of be a surprise for her, but I will show the Memory Dex card that I designed, and this is, oh, about flinged it through the table. This is the one that it came up with, and I absolutely love it. I hope she likes it. I love polka doodles. I got introduced to polka doodles back, I think, in March, and I had purchased a digital file that had a whole bunch of different designs on it and decided I wanted to use that. There's a couple other Memory Dex cards that I created prior to this because I needed to get my hands wet again with doing crafting, and I posted photos of those on my Instagram account. But once they turned out halfway to the point where I was happy with, yes, I can do this, because I am a perfectionist and I have a hard time. Crafting takes me a long time. Where to place something? Where exactly does it look good? Oh no, I don't want that there. I want this here. I don't know if it's just me or if it's just a crafter thing, but it takes me a long time to create, and I need to learn to just relax and go with the flow. But I knew when I saw this polka doodles girl with the envelope, I thought, how perfect is that? Friendship means a lot to me. Char is so special, and I adore her so much. And so I wanted to send her something to resemble the fact of, you know, sending her mail, sending her sweet letters, and letting her know how much she means to me and a lot of her followers. But anyways, again, adding a rosette. This back here is from a die that I have. Most of you probably have this one. It's a Sizzix die, I believe. And I just added some die cuts that I had, incorporated the paper. This Memory Dex template that I have is actually one I created on my Silhouette program. And so it's not one you can buy. I designed it myself, and I had a lady ask me where to get it, but I just have it on my program. And I wanted a 3D effect, so I put foam underneath her, and then smaller foam underneath the letters here. And then on the back of it, I created it to be a pocket here, because I noticed on some of the ones that I'm seeing photos, and I watched some videos of some Memory Decks, they do a pocket to where they can keep their information. And this "You Are Amazing" wording came with the Polka Doodles collection that I had purchased, and I added some of the gold flat backs to here, and just absolutely love the color of those. They just are so pretty. And then I have a card in here, and the card says, "You make me smile," which Char makes me smile all the time. And I'm going to put my information on the back of that, and it just slides right down in there. And oh gosh, I hope she likes this. I had fun making it, but struggles at the same time. And then the other thing that I created, which is my very first time of making toppers, bag toppers. I watch a lot of Scrap the World's videos, and she's always like, you know, presentation is a huge thing, and I wanted to learn how to make these because I want to send out stuff, and I want to do it the right way. And so I bought this file from the Silhouette Design Store, and so I'm going to use it until I can probably create maybe some other ones. I know some people create their own, but I wanted something now and fast, and so I purchased this, and then I just added to it. So here's some more of the flowers that I created, and then another rosette, some ribbon with some wording on it. And then I did not have cellophane bags. So for those of you who do not have the cellophane bags, I haven't ordered them. Again, I'm just getting back into this, and I need to purchase some of them. But I went to Michael's and I found some bags. And what I did was I measured where I wanted it, and I folded it over. And then the one side, I trimmed it off. I trimmed it off, you know, because the bag, if that makes sense. Okay, so I trimmed it off, just that one side, and then I added double-sided tape to it, so when I fold it over, it will stick to that, and then I have my bag topper. So for some of you that still have not gotten your cellophane bags, or this is an alternative if you have a Michaels next to you or any of these like clear bags. So I will go through those until I get some cellophane bags. They only have so many sizes there. I got 2 different sizes, and I think they're going to work for now. I'm hoping anyways, because again, my first time making bag toppers. But here's my other one that I made, and I just used the paper from that same paper pack and just added some different embellishments to the top of it, and the backs of them are just plain. I didn't really do anything to the back of it. And yeah, I am excited to get this off in the mail to her, and I hope she loves everything that I created. I've seen so many of the videos of the lovely stuff that people have sent to her, and I'm so happy that she's being blessed with a lot of fun stuff that she's going to be able to use in her craft projects. But anyways, thank you so much for coming and watching my video today. And if you're not subscribed to the lovely Sparkling Char, be sure to go over to her channel and subscribe to her. And come back soon, because I'm going to try to get back into this on my days off. I want to be crafting. I have a lot of ideas for Christmas. Christmas is my favorite time, and I'm going to start doing it now, because if I wait, I'll never get anything done. And I hope to have some more videos up really soon. And in the meantime, I hope you all have a very blessed day, and thank you again for stopping by, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.